Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. So we're going to look at the results from the close-up coins. 10 close-ups from Commemoratives from the UK, and there is a few territory coins in here as well. Did you manage to guess them correctly? So number one then was the bottom of the Diversity Built Britain 50 pence coin. A huge shout out if you managed to get that one correct. Number two was actually the clock there, stopping just under 4 minutes. That one's off the 2004 Sir Roger Bannister 50 pence. We move on then to number three. This one a little bit difficult, and it is actually the corner there of the offside rule explained 50p coin. A huge shout out to everyone that's entered the giveaway, as there is one of them being given away on the channel this weekend. We move on then to a territory coin, and I cannot believe how many people have got this one correct. Just like me when I'm playing cricket, a beautiful cover drive there on the Isle of Man cricket coin. This one then for the 2019 World Cup, and again a huge shout out if you managed to get that one correct. A little bit difficult, sorry again for making that one quite hard. Number five then, this one out of the middle of the Christopher Ironside 50 pence coin from 2013. An absolute beauty, and again often overlooked because of its high mintage figure. Another coin with a super high mintage, this one then from 2006, one of two of these designs released for circulation. There was a Victoria Cross medal, and the coin you see on the screen there, the Victoria Cross Heroics Act. Moving on then to number seven, we have actually got a Beatrix Potter 50p coin. Everyone that played along got this one correct, and it is the Miss Tiggywinkle 50 pence coin, an absolute beauty. One of 13 different Beatrix Potter designs to be released for UK circulation between 2016 and 2018. This one then isn't the R for Robin of the 10 pence coin. Another territory coin. This one is actually the R from the Victory coin set. An absolute beautiful coin set indeed, and a huge shout out if you have managed to find any territory coins in your change at home. Number nine then, it is Crazy Eyes, as we like to call him. Another Beatrix Potter 50p coin, and it is Mr. Tom Kitten himself. This coin then released in 2017, the second year that the Beatrix Potters were released for UK circulation. Number 10, and definitely a difficult one to finish, it's actually off a Commemorative 10 pence coin, and I was lucky enough to actually find one of these in my change. This one is a 2018 version, but I was lucky enough to find the 2019 one this week. The T for T there to finish off the week, but I would definitely have preferred the C for coffee. We are now going to have a little look at all of those that managed to get more than 7 correct. We have got Andy Vickers, Smithy7890, Ian Strudwick, Chrissy Cross, Andrew Watson, Yellow Lighthouse, Debbie Garvey, Curtis McElroy, Terence Day and Squirreling Coins. Thank you all so much for playing along. And most importantly, well done on getting 7 or more correct. And again, a huge shout out to everyone that played along as well. If you'd like another one of these games, please do let me know, and I'll make one over the weekend. The grand finale, the week-long special of The Last Stand Standing, was going to finish this evening. It is going to be uploaded tomorrow. It has got a little bit late, and I don't want to upload it too late. So that is going to be uploaded tomorrow. Best of luck to everyone that's played along, and hopefully you do get one of the 4 amazing prizes. Thank you all so much for all of the support. I really do hope that you all have a really nice weekend. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.